Unoyalam ka Congress Legislature Party uba Ronnie V. Lingdo ubadeiru MLA ka Milliam mentagasngi ka santarik unailar ulayaro ya hukum jong ka Ieng Shariba Kledo kari kapapensange ya ka jingrai pinrem ya uhe ka seng Congress u Rahul Gandhi. Habaya keren bakila patay kubor mentagasngi uba Ronnie ula ong baka hok ka Ieng Rasong bat ya kariti sanchar kari India lala ban pinne pensa. Uba Ronnie ula penpauru ya ka jingsngo artatien Halor ka hukum rai penrem da ka kashri ha Gujarat persya ya Rahul Gandhi bat ong bakarai jong kashri ha Gujarat kabuk shibun kidak jingkeli kibawat ka Ieng Shariba Kledo kariru kalasaki ula ong bakani kamde ka jingjob tang jong uwe ubriu Henry jong kipai ba kari India hi parok kawai.
Finally, truth has prevailed. Justice has been delivered. Democracy has won, and Constitution of the country has been upheld. This has come as as something to be happy about. There is still the judiciary to protect the justice for the citizen of the country. This is not about one individual. This is about the citizen of the whole country. Now, when you see so many institutions have been subverted, so I think we still have, hope. We still have hope. It's not the victory of one man. It's not the victory of one individual. It's the victory of the whole country. It's the victory of India, where now we still believe in the, in the saying that India is the biggest democracy in the world. Now that word has meaning. Earlier, we were afraid that even the court might have been subverted. But now finally it's been proven that the court has upheld the rights, the freedom, justice. That is very, very comforting.